This is seafood paya.
One of a kind. It doesn't have any alcohol.
This is shrimp. This is lobster. They have the fish in there. And this is like on the street. They are doing it. Probably that is cool. So I'm gonna have to go around, and when I come back, I'm gonna ride one of those there. It's so nice. It's beautiful. Tastes like beautiful and good presentation. Main thing is the music. Musics are everywhere. I got in one of those tempo in Bangladesh called tempo. So that I'm taking from bus station to the hostel. This is really bad. Wow. Make sure never ever go around when it's the police or the army or military men. Ask them if you can go through that. So no picture or video or anything in that area. It's from the bus station to the hostel is 400 pesos. It's about 5 kilometers. What happened at the little car, they put everything in there and it got broken. Middle of the road. Oh, I'm going towards Old Havana. I walked about 16,000 steps this morning. I purchased bus ticket to Santiago for tonight. Santiago going there, it takes about 18 hours. So I am looking forward to that bus ride. Taxi like that to get to my house. This is the Old Havana. That's the capital. Now we are going more smaller street. Streets are narrow here. The Old Havana. There's some restaurant. So bad road, just going ups and downs. Streets like that. Wow. Old Havana is really. It's almost look like Bangladesh. It's a Puran Dhakar moton, amader Puran Dhakar moton. I am on the Old Havana, or they call this Habana. So if you call Old Havana to these local people, they will know because this is the Habana, the thing. I am walking to the Plaza Vieja. Plaza Vieja is closer to here somewhere. I heard it's a vibrant place to go. So I am going there. Seems like some stuff going on here. There's a hostel balcony, Ana Suriyama. So this is probably the Plaza Vieja. This is Plaza Vieja. I'm going there. Let me see what's going on here. Some stuff going on here. What is this? I guess this is the place where you eat. What do you do? Okay, I didn't know that. Oh, nice. The music going on. That's called Plaza Vieja. Everybody is playing. Everybody is having fun. There you go. A lot of music going on. Beautiful. It's a free Wi-Fi and it's a restaurant, Bar Azúcar. They're not really aggressive. They're very nice. Yeah. Look at this. Everywhere they have music going on. They play music with everything and anything. They're just playing music. She's got the different stuff on her hand. The Plaza Vieja, the old plaza. A lot of restaurants are here. On the other side, it's the martial arts thing going on here. Restaurants are here, there. That's a nice building over there. That's so beautiful building over there. This is a store. It's one alley. Another alley, I guess, is a mojito. They play music everywhere. music goes on everywhere. The music is the center part of the Cuban life. The plaza, they play soccer, they're doing this music. Everything goes on here, seems like. The buildings are so beautiful. Look at the buildings, the plaza. The music goes on here too. Cafe Bohemia, they have this. The music is right there. It's got something different. It's like one of the vegetable things. I just see it. It's good. Thank you. Yeah, he's saying something. Yeah, his family is something going on.
And my family is Oropas.
Okay, Oropas. I don't know exactly what he said, but he was you're welcome. Thank you so much. People are walking. People are going to the places. They call people in. This guy, they said his mother is chef.
Hola.
He said his mother is chef. Look at how he treats people. That's how he got me in. Nice. Every table has sunflower. I got this.
And you have me.
I have
and
I have
flower.
Lady Gaga.
And
Okay, that's even better flower than sunflower. Outside sitting, they have a lot of beer. Since I don't drink, so that's what they're gonna give me nice The mocktail is like a lot of fruits drink. They're gonna put the fruits in it. Nice inside. Most of the seats are outside. I am so happy. I don't know the food yet, but I'll let you know what type of. I got some seafood paella here. I sit outside. This is Old Havana's Plaza Vieja. This place is in the corner. Restaurant, I don't know exactly what it calls. It's called La Vitorala San Ignacio. It is a beautiful restaurant. It is Old Havana. Old Havana is known, it's UNESCO saved by the Old Havana. And I'm from Bangladesh, so our old town is like this. This is like 200 years old or more than that. It got nice, clean, less people than our old town. I enjoyed it. I walked all over. I walked 5 kilometers today through the old city. So I'm taking a bus, 18 hours bus to Santiago. I just got this, what is it called?
Love cup.
Love cup? Seems like it's a love. All right, she said it's a love cup. Look at it, so beautiful. This is all fruits in it. It's so beautiful, sort of mojito type thing. Get it? This is mint. This is pineapple, watermelon. That doesn't have any alcohol in it. It's all fruits. They made it special for me, and I'm so happy they sure did. This is labka. Yeah, too. I love that too. Sometimes presentations sell everything, so this presentation is so good. I am impressed. Live music going on. The musics are everywhere, every corner they play music. After 1 hour later, I got nice food here. They're having the flies on the food. So all of the sudden, waiter brought the fly fan so the flies can go away. It's right over there, right? It's going there. Look at that. Oh, I never seen that before. There you go, the music going on over there. This is seafood paya. All the seafoods are there. The smell is very, very good. It took a while, but I'm glad I got it. Smell is very good. It has the lobster. It's got the shrimp. It's beautiful. Smell good. It smells very good. Beautiful. It looks wonderful, and it tastes like even better. Wait. Thank you so much. Food, and it is a lot of food. I think they're supposed to burn it, so that's why it got burned on the bottom. Tastes good also, and with the music going on in the back, and I'm just so hot, giving another texture, love for the food. I'm enjoying it with the music, with the atmosphere. Good music, good food, good atmosphere. It's the best.
after midnight is my birthday. I had a great time on my birthday eve. Get ready for the bus.
Food was very good. The food cost me $43 for one person. Paya, not bad. Paya was 9,000. Almost everywhere is music. Look at how loud music is here. Another store. Wow, a lot of people ride the bike here. I guess you can go straight to somewhere with the bike, that's why. And also the bicycle also. Everybody's outside. They're dancing also. This is nice. I'm at the hostel balcony. Look at the street, how narrow the street is. Look at those little kids, mom, dad. The musics are everywhere. Every corner they're playing music. That's how the life is over here. After coming here, way of life over here, way of life in the United States is so different. Chevrolet, I am taking this car to the terminal. This is a taxi. He said this is 1952 Chevrolet. This is nighttime Old Havana. This is very congested road. Everybody is out. They're listening music. They're walking. They're playing. It's vibrant city. This is nighttime in Habana. People are still out walking.
Both sides beautiful buildings, but those are old. This is nighttime. The new Havana, big building next to each other. This is the taxi I just took to bus station. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Yeah.